Well, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me as I take you on a journey on the internet to find an oddity, a passion, an inspiration, and a surprise. So let's just get started. While looking for an oddity, I came across this site where a man creates a virtual traffic jam on Google Maps by dragging a small cart with 99 phones on an empty street. So looking at his video, you'll see here's his cart with the phones and the streets are quite empty, and Google Map is right now showing all green on that street. But as time goes by and he works at going back and forth across the street, you can see how the street is still empty, but Google Map has updated and now it looks all red. So next, I wanted to share a passion of mine. I love cooking, especially Indian cooking, and this is a site that I use very often. I like the way the site is organized. It's easy for me to find the recipes. I like the ingredients that they use. I like their videos. I also like that they have it categorized on the site like this, so it's easy for me to search for something. Next, I work at a library, so one of my inspirations is book cover designs, and I wanted to share a few of the book cover design trends for 2020. One of them is the bold typography, so you'll see a lot of bold lettering in the book covers. Next is the minimalistic cover designs. This is my very favorite. I find it mind-boggling how designers can express themselves creatively with just very little. Another interesting one for this year is that the color pink will dominate in most of the book covers. Now, moving on to the surprise, I love the company Google and all the projects and their contributions, especially towards education. This is a very interesting site. It's called Experiments with Google. So the site basically is a showcase for anybody who has done experiments with language, music, video, AI, AR, and you can go and post your experiment here, and anybody can come and launch this experiment or have a look at how we went about doing the experiment. So just a site to jumpstart your own creativity. Well, that's it. Thank you for joining me.